Yes, some jerk drumstick with some roasted potatoes. Yes. Buckle up. Welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor. I do hope you'll enjoy this video. Hit that subscribe button. So today I'll be taking you through how I do some jerk drumstick with some roasted potatoes in my oven. So here I stripped my chicken drumsticks beforehand. You know, I'm a stickler for making sure the meat I'm eating is like really clean. Persons ask, or persons are sometimes curious, why leave the skin on the chicken? The skin helps to protect the chicken from drying out too quickly, so I love to leave the skin on. Also, if I'm deep frying, the skin helps to cover the meat or is a protection for the meat where it doesn't get dried out easily. So I clean my drumsticks. I get the little yellow things off. If there are any feathers on it, I take them off. Make sure there are no feathers. I go under the skin and I pull any fat or anything from under the skin before washing and seasoning for cooking. Once I am done cleansing or cleaning, then it's about time to add my seasonings, which I will leave in the description box the seasonings I used. And remember, the amount I use might be different from what you will need to use. So it's always good to taste your food to see if it has the flavor that you need. So here I'm using a little ginger. I'm using a little sazon, chicken sazon. And here is a combination of different seasonings that I combined. So this was a combined portion which included paprika, cayenne pepper, other seasonings which I'll leave in the description box for you if you choose to follow this recipe. And I will be using 2 types of seasoning, 2 types of jerk seasoning. I use a barbecue jerk and a regular hot and spicy jerk, Walker's Wood. So I did it like a mixture of barbecue and regular jerk sauce on it. That I also love to season. Once I season the meat, I definitely add the jerk sauce on. I also use my gravy master to give it a little color, because this will not be going on like an outdoor grill where smoke will reach it. It will be done in the oven, so just to give it a little color so it's not white when it's done, because jerk normally have a dark color. So I just season as I go, and here I'm adding some Walker's Wood jerk marinade, and I had added before the barbecue jerk sauce that I that portion. Whatever you use to season your chicken is fine. My way might be different from yours, or what I use you might not have access to it. However, you will decide what taste you're looking for, and I use some Himalayan salt instead of the white salt on this. A little onion powder, garlic powder, and some paprika. So here I am covering up for a few hours to get this to marinate. And this is optional too. If you choose to prepare this same time, it's up to you. I choose to cover it to let it soak and seep in a little. Now I'm ready to prepare this. I get my roasting pan and I add foil in it. It makes it much easier to like wash once I'm done. And I just added a little olive oil to the bottom because I will be adding some potatoes in it. And the potatoes, I just use a little Himalayan salt, a little paprika, a little onion powder, a little garlic powder to season, a little parsley to season. I use a little herb and spices too to season. So here I put them in the bottom of the baking tray, and then I will be adding my chicken in after. I added no liquid to this, so the juice from the chicken will help to roast these potatoes. And this was the regular Irish potato that we are used to every day. So here I'm just laying a rack in the pan where I will be laying the chicken for my oven jerk. There's my seasoned drumstick, and I just lay them over this, and I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And the legs, what I did before I seasoned them too, I like chopped them. Yes, I chopped them like in almost two to allow them to soak properly, or once I season to allow some of the seasoning to marinate in it. And then you're free to serve this with any meal of your choice. At the end, you will see it was juicy. The color, everything, the taste, it tasted like jerk. The only difference is because it's not the pan jerk, it has a different taste because it was done in the oven where there is no smoke. And this took approximately 45 minutes to an hour to be done in the oven. There it is, like 30 minutes in, still not ready. I added back to my oven for another 15 minutes, and then here it's finally done. When it's done too, it's up to you if you want to add additional sauce on this. It's also optional. Again, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day. See you soon in my next video. I will also add another link in the description box for you. Please leave your comments. I will reply to your comments if you have any questions or concern. Thank you again for tuning in to Shell's Island Flavor. Love you all. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and I will leave all the video in the description box for you to watch also. See you soon. Bye.